Well, hello. Welcome to the trees. SUPERCLOWN coming at you on my board. Blackfish Lightening. Oh, it's a little crispy in here. It's gonna bring you with me for a quick little stroll through the trees. And then I'm gonna have to put you back so I can listen to my tunes. Because I brought tunes for the first time. Tunes do make the world just even better. I mean, this is a nice world. I don't know if you can see that blue sky. It's pretty good. You can probably hear it's kind of crispy. I mentioned that. It's been getting warm. It's not too warm today. I'm guessing it's probably 20, 25 degrees. A little below freezing. I'm glad I got my jacket. I'm glad I got all these pants on. But it's not too cold. Not as cold as last time I was up here. It was frozen. Whew. Sure is pretty though, isn't it? So yes. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe because it helps me out. Leave me a comment. Tell me where you're at, what you're into. Ciao for now.